So here we have a shift indicator. This indicator which looks like a MACD at the bottom because of obvious histogram. But what if I told you this is 2 times more profitable than MACD? You see, with MACD you have momentum bars with MACD line and a signal line. But in our case we don't have such things. So we have diamonds, a histogram, buffer zone and a dynamic moving average. The diamond here signals potential reversal ahead, but it is not confirmation to enter long. The histogram is a sign of price momentum. We know that the bigger the histogram bars, the stronger the price momentum. Then we have this buffer zone, which we actually gonna use during entries to confirm our valid price momentum. Lastly, this dynamic moving average, which turns yellow when there is a bearish trend, and it changes into sea green when there is a bullish trend. Here is the entry method. So when the price crosses through the moving average, don't just enter trade. Instead, make sure that the bearish histogram has turned into the bullish histogram. Plus, the bearish histogram bars should be big enough to cross through the buffer zone. Then and only then it is a valid entry. So in our case, it is a bullish setup as the candle is sea green. To enter long, wait for the candle to close above the moving average and then enter long. You can place the stop loss below the recent swing low. Moving on to the next example. Over here, the bullish histogram has gone above the buffer zone. The next move presents itself in the form of bearish histogram and a yellow candle. That means to go short. Taking one more example, here histogram swiftly turned into bullish, plus the bullish candle crossed the moving average, so entering long. With my backtesting, I found that this indicator works better around major support and resistance levels. You can supplement your entries using these indicators. As always, the indicators are only confirmation of your analysis. So this is how to set up on the chart. On TradingView, go to Indicators tab and search Moving Average Shift, and add this one from Chart Prime to your chart. After having this on your chart, don't use it as it is. Instead, go to its settings and over here under the Inputs tab, change the moving average length to 35 and MA shift oscillator length to 16, plus the zone size to be 0.7. But if you want to consistently find winning trades, then watch this stupid one candle method.